Today on The Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy coconut curry. This is a dish that I can make every other night and my family wouldn't mind it one bit. It has a delectable sauce and tender chicken chunks. It really comes together fairly easy and I'm so excited to share my version with you. For this recipe, we need to prep a few ingredients before we head to the stove. Chop 1 large onion into small pieces, 1 red bell pepper that we dice up, and about 2 pounds of chicken, which is 3 chicken breasts, and I'm going to cube that into 1-inch cubes. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs are also a great alternative. Now we're gonna head over to the stove. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add in the onion and the bell pepper. Sauté those for 5 to 7 minutes until they soften up and get a little bit more browned. Then we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of garlic and 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of yellow curry powder, and 2 tablespoons of ground coriander, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes to really allow those spices to bloom. Too bad we don't have smell vision. This smells amazing. Add in the cubed chicken and 1 teaspoon of salt, and sauté the chicken in that mixture for about 5 minutes, which really gets the chicken coated nicely in the spices. Add in 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 can of high-fat coconut milk. If you want to use a lower fat coconut milk, that will totally work. It just won't be as creamy. Add in 1 tablespoon of Asian chili garlic sauce, and if you really like heat, add in a little bit more. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, which really balances out the flavors. 2 tablespoons of lime juice, which is about the juice of 1 lime. And last but not least, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, which adds just a touch of sweetness. Stir this all together and be sure to scrape along the sides and the bottom of the pan to loosen up any cooked on spices and flavor profiles. Bring this to a boil, and then you're going to want to reduce that down to a simmer where it's going to continue to simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. Now if you want to add in some extra vegetables, we have some tips and tricks on that over on the website. Once your curry has thickened, ladle it over some rice, garnish it with cilantro, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.